901 Sounds, Memphis, Tennessee, auto accessories. Here's a small tour of our front sales area. We are Pioneer dealers, Rockford Fosgate dealers, Kicker dealers, Viper dealers, Avatal dealers, JVC dealers, Clarion dealers, K40 dealers. The list goes on basically. XM, satellite, and Sirius satellite radio experts. Headlight light bulbs, LED light bulbs. We basically have 90% of all the dash kits available for just about every single car. Have plenty of dynamat for sound deadenation. Have all the integration harnesses for just about 90% of the vehicles out there. Plenty of speakers, plenty of amplifiers out there. Plenty of inventory, plenty of kicker subs, CD changers, plenty of Rockford Fosgate products, plenty of jail audio products as well too. Definitely we are certified installers, MECP certified, member of the Business Bureau. Here's our display room as well too. Plenty different type of size speakers, from 4-inch speakers, 4x10s to 4x6s. Different type of radios as well too, flip down monitors.
Labor is not included. Crossing debt is required by sold separately.
Bluetooth speakers as well too for audios.
In honor of their 4th anniversary, it's a summer birthday sale at 901.
And we're on the radio as well too.
Hold on, Zeke. We need some more reverb. Can we get more reverb on the spot, please?
Okay, how's this?
That's perfect. Please continue.
Come celebrate 4 years in business with our summer sale and back-to-school specials. Keyless entry systems just $79.99. Remote starters starting off at
RN-TVs.
Expert window team available. Military and city employees at an additional 15% off. Plus
Audio video units. Just about all our remote start systems. Display room as well too. Waiting area. Plenty of auto accessories as well too. And of course, the best of them all, jail audio. Getting ready for Black Friday? Give us a call at 901-372-9922 or visit us online at www.901sounds.net.